We're going to talk about the lasso tool, which is here. If you press and hold, you will have three options: the regular lasso, the polygonal lasso, and the magnetic. Let's start with the regular lasso. Regular lasso will allow you to draw the selection freely, the way you want, and you have your selection. If you want to add to the selection, press shift and you can add to the selection the way you want. If you want to subtract, press option on Mac, alt on PC, and you can subtract from that selection. These two shortcuts work with any of the selection tools in Photoshop. Let's deselect. I usually use the lasso tool to have a really fast, rough cutout before I invest the time to have a perfect cutout. For example, I'll just do this quickly. Simply add a layer mask. Now the layer mask cut out the mountains, which I want to reverse that. So simply select the layer mask, press Command I on Mac, Control I on PC, and you will reverse the layer mask. And now you have a rough cutout. Let's talk about the magnetic lasso tool next. When you have a contrasty image like this, the magnetic tool works well. The way to use it is simply select and move the mouse slowly, and Photoshop will detect the edge that you want. Of course, the slower you move, the better the performance. Let's say that you did a mistake like this. Simply press backspace or delete, delete, delete until you go back, and then fix it, and then go over the edge. After you select the mountain, add the layer mask again, and as you learn, reverse the layer mask. And of course, don't forget that you can use any of the technique that we talked about in the last video about blurring the edge or making the edge softer, whether it's feather from here or right-clicking on the selection and feathering it from there, or finally using the select and mask. Let's talk about the polygonal tool next. So simply choose it. Polygonal tool works well when you have straight lines. Let's say that you want to cut out this building to replace the sky. So simply, you can just follow the edge really quickly. And simply just close that. Add a layer mask, reverse it, and you're done.